What's up guys, it's Steve with Fluid Pour, and today we're going to be trying 3 acrylic pour paintings using the same exact technique and the same exact set of paints, and we're going to see how different the results are going to be from each other. We're going to be doing 3 flip cups in black, white, and gold. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below what technique you want me to try next, and consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Check the video description down below for a link to my Etsy as well as links to the Amazon products that I use. And consider giving this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribing if you want to see more videos like this.